Hello everybody, this is Dr. Sanika Bali, a prosthodontist. I've been practicing in Delhi as a specialist consultant since the last 3 years. Welcome to our channel De9to. The topic of today is tongue cleaning. You must all know that the ideal number of times of brushing our teeth is twice a day every day. But do you clean your tongue well? Do you know how important tongue cleaning is? Let's talk about that today. Our tongues hold 90% of the entire bacterial load of our mouth. Hence, it is very imperative to clean your tongue well to combat oral odor and to help promote good oral health. You can either use a toothbrush, or some toothbrushes come in with inbuilt tongue cleaners on the back, or you can also use specialized agents like tongue scrapers to clean your tongue well. Personally, I'd recommend a tongue scraper, but something is better than nothing. Let's now see the steps of tongue cleaning. Step 1 of tongue cleaning is stand in front of a tooth mirror. You might be brushing your teeth twice a day, so I'm assuming you're anyway standing in front of a mirror. Take your tongue out of your mouth completely as you can bring it out. Take a good look at your tongue. Some areas might appear whiter in hue than the normal pinkish hue of our tongue. These areas hold more bacterial load than the other areas. Thus, they have to be cleaned very well. Number 2 step is take your toothbrush or a tongue scraper, take it as far back on your tongue as you can towards your throat. The motion that we need to use for tongue cleaning is back to the tip of the tongue. Each area that needs to be cleaned should be swished 3 or 4 times with a gentle stroking back to front motion. Always remember not to use a lot of pressure, as that might lead to bruising on your tongue. When you're done with cleaning and you're satisfied with cleaning, let's move on to the step 3. Step 3 is rinsing your mouth well. When you're done with tongue cleaning, you can either rinse your mouth with the running tap water, or you can use an antibacterial mouthwash to do so. Always remember to clean your tongue well with brushing. I hope you will follow this. Happy brushing to you. For more information and such videos, log on to our channel www.de9to.com. Bye.